反車。咁係咪可以放鬆下先啊？我哋唔使企得咁正。
最驚有鏡我哋都唔知。
咁依家係咩情況啊？
完咗。
呢啲先係花絮啊！
等陣間有時有人講話要 say Cantonese 咁。依家係咩問題啊
？Too hot。
咁使講嘢未啊？罰企咁我哋好似。你要影到右邊喎。
我出鏡先。
哦，出鏡先啊。係咪未開始啫？輝哥部機反咗車啊！你設置嗰個永不鎖屏啦。唉呀，02分啦已經。開始啊 ！Hello guys, welcome to IKE. I'm Apple.
My name's Ginger.
I'm Lemon. It's our pleasure to show you our IKE today. As one of leading manufacturer heat pump driver, we have a lot of potential in the international market, and we got a lot of potential in the national market. So firstly, I would like to introduce our history to you. Established in 1994, IKE Group has 27 years history. IKE company to launch a series food processing machine, including food washing machines, slicing machine, drying machine, and etc. Especially for the dehydrator, with specialized dehydrated more than 12 years, which is high quality, low consumption, and clean easily. You can note here, this is our production base in major city. Our workshop is over 16,000 square meter with daily output for over 5,000 units. It's one of the largest factories engaged in the production of heat pump drivers in China. Where I'm located is Guangdong IKE Science and Development Company. Here is our exhibition hall, and we have various food and vegetable equipment on showing here. My colleague and I will give you some introduction about our best-selling machine later. All of IKE products were designed, researched, and developed, produced, and sold in here. We have strong R&D team focused on develop the new products. QCT to professional quality team, the service whatever you need, such as strong management control system give you comfortable feeling for communicate with IKE. IKE name in Chinese is first technology in the country. We have strong in software and trade products, mainly in our driving control system, because our company's outstanding contributions and good reputation in the heat pump driving industry. In 2016, China Energy Association specially invited IKE to participate in the formulation of national standard of heat pump driving systems. By 2020, our company has participated in the 5 national standards related to human heat pump driving. Take a look, those are the certificate of our participation in the development of standards. An enterprise can participate in the international market. National standards, it must have strong techno strength. IKE is your best choice. Hi, Apple.
Hi, Lemon.
We would like to tell you something about our IKE food machines. And would you like to let us know more about this?
Sure. The machine you can see now, actually, they are all necessary machine before the fruits or vegetable before dehydration. For example, this one, these 2 machines are cutting machines. The using is very convenient and easy. And it has only one material inlet. And you, for example, if this one is a lemon, and you just need to put the lemon into the cutting machine. And when you turn on the cutting machine, the machine will cut the lemon automatically, and the material will be discharged from the material outlets. This one also, but this one can also cut material in cubes, and this is the material outlets. All materials are made in stainless steel 304, so we don't need to worry about its quality, and they are all food safety level. And for this one is very different from these 2 cutting machines. Let's come a little bit closer, please. And the biggest difference from that 2 machines is that this machine has 7 material outlets. Means you can cut it can cut 7 items in the same time. So maybe one person can put 7 lemons into the material inlets, and the material will go through inside the cutting machine, and the lemon slice will be discharged from the bottom of the cutting machine.
Oh, that's awesome. What about this? I know that it's a washing machine.
Yeah.
Would you introduce this for us?
Yeah, of course. Before cutting the vegetables or fruits, the material needs to be washed carefully. So there are two options for the washing machine. First one is the bubble washing machine. This one is the smaller bubble washing machine. Its capacity is smaller a bit, about 200 kilograms per hour. And for this one is larger. It is the first choice and the vice choice for middle and large scale of food processing company. Actually, the size can be customized. It is not a fixed number. So for this one, its capacity can be 1 to 1.5 ton per hour. And come closer, please. When you start the operating machine, you just need to pour all of them into this tub. For example, I can process lemon and spinach and other green vegetables. And when the vegetables are full of this tub, you can just turn on the machine. And the water tube will discharge water. And come this way, please. The bubble water stream will be strong enough to wash every corner of the vegetables and fruits. And you don't need to wash them manually. After you have turned on the machine, it will wash all the materials automatically. And after maybe 30 seconds, the material will go in this direction automatically and be lifted by the conveyor belts. All this way, this way, this way. And it will fall automatically to the material collecting tray or basket. So all you need to do is just place the material into this side and turn on the machine. And the washing, the lifting, the collecting will be done by this machine automatically. So it is very convenient.
Oh,
And also, this one is also washing and cutting machine, but it's a little bit special from that one because this is suitable for material like carrots, potato. This kind of machine can not only wash them to be clean, but also they can peel them, just remove their skin because if you see this brush, my friend, come closer please. The quantity of brush can be customized and the length of the brush can be customized too. You can see there are two different materials of brush. When you combine them, the effect can be better. And when you want to maybe peel some carrots or potato, you just need to pour all of them into this tub, and turn on the machine. After turning on the machine, this brush will roll automatically, and the material will roll around in the machine. And in the meantime, they will be washed and peeled perfectly. This is its shell. It can be equipped based on your need.
How about this one?
This one is our smaller washing machine. Its capacity is different from that we just introduced. Its capacity can only be 230 to 300 kilograms per batch. So it's actually a good choice for some beginner of food processing industry or small scale production. It's also okay to consider it. If you are confused about there are so many machines here, you don't need to worry. You can just subscribe our YouTube account and let us know more about your needs, no matter what you need to process. Green vegetables and carrots or meats, whatever it is, we will give you a comprehensive solution and you will get quite competitive price. We assure you we can provide comprehensive service. And after the materials are finished processing, you may need to pack them, right? Because you cannot just sell them in some plastic bag. So maybe you would need a packing machine. We have many kinds of packing machine. Packing machine is, we will recommend suitable model based on your material. Maybe some powder, or maybe some cube, or maybe some slice, and maybe some wet package. So it is okay. You don't need to figure out all the species. You just let us know your needs, and we will provide a suitable solution.
Oh, good. That's awesome. So, Apple, I have a question for you.
Yes?
Why IKE launch a series of machine for process food, vegetables, and everything?
Yes, the reason why we manufacture all this kind of machine, we have a wide range of product because we want to provide a one-stop food processing machinery solution to our clients, from the washing to the cutting, peeling, dehydrating, and packaging. We can provide a comprehensive solution to our clients. So no need to hesitate, just subscribe our YouTube account and let us know more about your needs.
Yes, remember to subscribe our YouTube channel, and you will get a gift after you send your inquiry to us. And we have special gift where after you send us your inquiry to us on IKE website. Remember, our IKE website is www.ike.cn. And now we have our Apple and Ginger would like to introduce some dried food after driving by our dehydrator.
Hello, my friend.
Hello.
Actually, dehydrating is a promising business in the world. It is necessary for a lot of agricultural processing, like maybe ginger and apple. They also need dehydration because if the farmer or the food processing company cannot sell all the fresh vegetables or fruits at one period, it will cause a large of waste. So dehydrating can not only extend products' shelf life, and maybe it can also enhance products' value after dehydration. For example, some Chinese herb and other things. And if you want some dehydrating tips, or you don't have suitable equipment for dehydration, you can also contact us and just let us know your need, and we can provide a dehydrating experiment for you. So just subscribe our YouTube channel and our website so we can provide other service to you.
Yes. When our clients want to place the order, they might consider to the turns out result about the fruits or veggies or meats, and before they placing the order, some of them would like us to do a testing for them. Here is the testing materials we did for the customers before.
Okay, how about we start from fruit first?
Yeah.
Maybe what is this?
This is the green grape. Let's see how it works.
Wow, I like its color.
Yes, it's almost the same color as the green grapes drying before. The color is gray, right?
Yeah, I bet they will be quite valuable.
Yes. A lot of customers from South Africa would dry these fruits oftenly.
Okay, so what is this, my friend?
This is the dried orange.
Wow, its
Yeah.
odor is very good.
You can see when you slice it, it's really pretty inside because it is dry enough so you can see everything is clear. You can cut it into small pieces.
Wow, and this one I think it is papaya, right? Do you like its color?
Let's open it. Let's see how it looks.
Actually, you can see its shape. After dehydration, it will not shrink a lot comparing when they are before dehydration. That is because IKE is unique dehydrating way, and we will introduce that to you later. So just follow us, and I will show you the secrets of IKE dehydration.
And this piece looks really big. So how do you think it can dry the thickness of before drying?
Yeah, we suggest the thickness is maybe 4 to 6 mm would be good because
That's great. That's pretty thick.
if they are too thick, it will affect the dehydrating time and efficiency.
Okay.
So let us see more about vegetables, okay?
Yes. This is the carrots. Let's see how it turns out.
Wow, it looks like a real flower.
Oh yes, it looks like flowers.
And it is really crispy. I can hear the sound.
Let's try.
Actually, the carrot can be hydrated after dehydration. So we will show you an example after we showing this dehydrating effect. So what will be the next?
Let's see this ginger sliced.
That's cute.
Do you think this color is close to the original gingers?
Yeah, I think it is still very fresh.
Yes, this one should be 3 mm slice before drying. You can see after drying, the slice is really thin, so you can easy to cut it into the powder form.
Yeah, the cutting thickness is also up to you because you may have your client's preference. So we will just provide some for your reference.
Yes, and then this is our broccoli.
Wow, is it fresh?
Can you smell it?
Yeah, can we just suck them in the hot water if we want to? Can they recover?
Yes, it can rewater really well, and the water also can perform the green.
Yeah, we will do that later also.
Yes.
And how about some meats? Since our subject today is about meat dehydrating.
Yes. This one is the chicken breast. We just dried this chicken breast a couple weeks ago. Let's see how it
Wow.
works. It's pretty dry, and even you can hear the sound.
Wow, it is crunchy.
Yep.
If you don't want the effect to be too crunchy, you can just shorten the dehydrating time. Then you can achieve the dehydration rate you need.
Yes, that's the good knowledge.
Yeah, so how about we do some refreshing experience?
Okay.
How about we
Do the rewater testing?
and the scallion?
Okay.
Okay, this one is our scallion. Hello, Lemon.
Yeah, let me have a look.
This is the
Scallion.
scallion we dehydrated. Do you like its color?
The smell is really good.
Yeah. I think that will be enough.
Yes, let me close it. Sorry.
After you have put them in the hot water, the refreshing just needs several seconds. within a minute. It will recover to the condition like it is still very fresh. And I think this is also one secret of IKE dehydrating to maintain their original properties and nutrients. So maybe Mr. Ginger and Miss Lemon can do some experience to let our client know more about the processing before dehydrating about meats.
Yes.
Yeah, please.
This way. This is our workshop, and then usually we do our testing for our client in this in here. So today our testing will be on meats. So we prepare the pork lung, some beef, and kidneys, chicken kidneys, and this is the chicken liver, the pork liver, and the last one is the chicken breast. So right now, let's do the beef slicing first. Like lemon. Here. Let me take you a trace. Here is the trace we're using
Yes.
to hold the meats.
And we always cut the most thinkings, but it's a lot.
Yes, we put it on tray evenly. Be careful.
It's better to slicing like 2 to 3 mm. It's better for dehydration.
That's good. It's almost the same thickness, around 2.5 to 3 mm thickness.
So it's a fresh one. I would take some in with some spicy or some salt. What do you think?
Yes, we would like to serve the beef with some soy sauce and pepper and salt and sugar. How do you think?
Yeah, good. I mean, it will taste good after dehydration. It's a little difficult to
And
cut
the knife
them.
is not shaped enough.
So I'm gonna take those to mix some salt and spices. This will good for dehydration. It will shorten the dehydrate time. Oh my God, it tastes good.
It smells good. Do you need some oil?
Yeah, I can take some oil for finish the mixing. But I think more oil is not good for the
Yes.
hydrators.
And once the oil contains of the food or meats over a certain amount, the dehydration rate will be slower than usual.
What do you think? How many kilograms per bunch in one bunch of?
Yeah,
This
that's
one?
another thing to mention.
Good.
Like if you cut the meats in a thickness of 3 to 5 mm, then the trays can hold a lot more than if you cut it into smaller thickness.
What do you think how to take whole one?
Do you think cut it to couple straight?
Couple
is-
straight?
Yeah. Yes, that's right. That would make the beef more look like the beef jerk.
Oh, why not can we handle the beef like this to dehydration?
Yes, we have the tool to hold the meats like this.
Oh, really? Oh, I think Apple will tell you the special design for this handy bar. Yeah, later. Oh, finish. Oh, that's the first one. We need to surprise this.
Usually, away again after dehydrations, so we can know for these materials how many water or moisture goes out from the materials.
Okay, I'm gonna take some chicken meat.
Well,
You
that's
need
not easy.
to-
Oh, do you need help? I can do it.
Yeah, I
Yes,
need.
you can hold this for me.
Yeah, it's easy to
Yes,
clean.
before that, let me wash my hand. And then wear the glove. For chicken kidney, there are a couple ways to enlarge the space to make it dry easily. Because you enlarge the space, it face to the air. The knife is not straight. We cut the chicken kidney into 2 pieces. And then also, let's put them on tray. The more thick, the less time you dry. This one is pretty thick already. Let's take just one slice. Yes, it's pretty thin. And then also put it on. And then the next one we need to prepare is the chicken breast. This is the fresh chicken breast, just take out from the chicken. For chicken breast, we usually cut it into really thin pieces. Let's cut it into half. And then slice it. Of course, if your place have a machine to cut, it's a lot easier to do this work. Yes, you can see it's pretty thin. Put it on tray also. Oh, this one is thin enough. About 5 mm. Let's cut one more. And then the others is easy to do. Yep, it's better than before. Yep, same, 5 mm per piece. Put them on tray. And then the stuff like this cannot stack up. After the chicken breast, let's do this liver, chicken liver and pork liver. For this stuff, lots of clients try them to as the pet foods. The cats and dogs love them very much. For this, you only need to cut it in small pieces.
Oh, it's a bigger one,
Yes.
I think.
After you dry, you know the water is going out the material, right? And then the size of these pieces become really small. So you can cut it bigger.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you remind me that after dehydration, the product will getting small.
Yes. Also, they lost weight.
Yeah.
We almost done.
Almost done. Yes, we have lots of clients using our dehydrator for dehydrate the
Pet food.
meat for pet food. Yeah.
Here's the key.
So meat driving is
Yep. Okay.
yeah. Can you separate them? Yep.
Okay. Let Lemon to carry this to Apple.
Yes. I'm taking those foods for through our WRH100 series for dehydration. Hi, Lemon, thank you. Hi, Apple, thank you.
Thank you, Lemon. So we only got one tray.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's your turn.
Yeah, I want to introduce one of our smallest dehydrator first. So this model capacity can be or for small scale production, it is very good choice because you can see its dehydrating temperature range. It can be 20 to 18 Celsius degrees. So actually it is suitable for almost all materials, like low temperature for flour and herbs, middle temperature for fruits and vegetables, high temperature for meats dehydrating. One machine, WH100T, can satisfy all your needs. And as you can see, this one is actually a cabinet dehydrator. You may wonder, what does cabinet mean? It means all components and trays and your materials can be one cabinet, and means you don't need installation, and you can save a lot of space for you, because for some beginner in food dehydrating business, they may have factory with limited space. So this one can really help you. And as you can see, there are wheels with the dehydrator. So actually it is movable. Even one person can move it easily. And when you want to change its position, move this side to that side, one person can handle that. And another convenient design, you can start using it as soon as connected into the power source. Just one plug. So it is a very convenient machine. And back to the materials, it is made in stainless steel 304 from the outside and the inside. So you don't need to worry about its quality. It can resist impact and corrosion. And its service life can be 10 years if your operating is correct. So after opening this door, you can see there are many kinds of accessories inside it. Let's start with this one. This is our standard U-shape stainless steel tray. It's made in stainless steel 304 and its weight bearing ability is quite good because of the U-shaped design. It can carry 10 kilograms material maximally. And this one is the flat stainless steel tray. It is just a flat design, but of course its weight bearing ability is a little bit weaker than this one, but it can still carrying 3 kilograms material per tray. And maybe you have noticed there are a lot of holes on our stainless steel tray. So you may worry that if you want to dehydrate some soft material like mango, and the tray will leave some trace on the surface of mango. Now I suggest this one for you, my friend. This is our food safety level silicone gel mesh. Its aperture is quite small comparing the aperture of stainless steel tray, and it is very soft. One benefit of it is that it can maintain the shape and the appearance of your product. And the second is that if your material is quite small, like some leaves, and this one can prevent the leaves and small items from falling down from the tray. So it is very practical and it is not expensive. If you subscribe our YouTube channel and send us some offer, maybe we can just send this to you as a free gift. And maybe you will be curious about why the total amount of our stainless steel tray is only 15 pieces. Because if there are too many trays inside one dehydrator, the density is too high and the material will just block the way for wind. The wind cannot go through the materials from the bottom to the upper side smoothly. 15 trays is the best quantity after our experience, so we think it will be enough for you and your products. Okay, for now. Okay, and for this one is the stainless steel hook. This design is for some large material like big fish or bones or big meat slice. For example, the chicken breast, you can just hook them with this and place it on the holder. This one is also a quite practical design. Okay, and back to the machine. On the bottom of the dehydrator is the air outlets. When you turn on the dehydrator, the hot and dry air will come out from here and go up and go through the materials, and this is the air inlets. So this is a whole circulation. And I want to show you the whole process. So let's start the dehydrator. You just need to close the door like this. Very easy. And this way, please. This is IKE Intelligent Management System. You can set the target parameters we need here. Let's set 75 Celsius degrees and 10% humidity, because there are many meats inside the dehydrator, so we need high temperature to kill the bacterium. Okay, after setting all the parameters, we can start turning on the dehydrator. When I press the button, the dehydrator starts immediately. So yeah, it responds quite fast. And when the dehydrator is on, the bottom is the air outlet. The hot and dry air will come out from here, go through the materials and bring out their moistures. Then the dry air will become humid air, of course, and the humid air just come back to here. This is the whole circulation. And come closer, please. Here is the water pipe. The humid air back to the main machine will be condensed into water drops. The moisture will be condensed into water drops, and the machine will just discharge the water from by here. Then the air become dry again and hot again, and keep running this circulation till the dehydration is done. Let's see how the wind flows. Actually, the air duct type of this model is penetrating air duct. So the wind is actually blow out from here and go up. It's vertical. Here, air will go back to here. You can see the little flags. After we have closed the door, we can just leave the machine because the dehydration will continue automatically. And how about let's see this machine. This is our WH100GN dehydrator. They are almost the same dehydrator, except the biggest difference is their air duct flow. From these two sides, the left side, the whole left side is the hot air outlet. Not like this one, just from the bottom. And the hot air will comes from this whole wall and goes parallelly to this side. So its air duct type is actually parallel. One of the unique advantage of parallel wind duct is that its dehydrating effect can be the most uniform, because from the left to the right, from the bottom to the upper, all corners dehydrating effect is the same, and that's why they can be uniform. And you can just close the door in this way. And then let us turn on the dehydrator and see how the wind flows. Blow up. And back to the right side. You may not need the quite high temperature to dehydrate the materials, because unlike other suppliers, we will not force out the moisture by only high temperature. We are reducing the relative humidity gradually, so we can maintain materials original odor, color, and nutrients. That's why we can keep them we can make them to be more valuable. Okay, so after two small dehydrators, how about we see a larger one? Hi, Lemon.
Hi, it's Lemon again. It's Lemon again from IKE Industrial Company. I'm going to introduce the shaving machine model WRH300 series. We have lots of clients. The fresh rolling flexibility requirement is about 250 to 350 kilograms per bunch, which is not achievement with WRH 100 series machine. In this case, WRH 3002 and series cabinet-type all-in-one dehydrator is the most suitable choice. Here is our cabinet driver behind me, WRH 3002B Yellow. It's a pretty that we have sold the WRH 3002B for one of our clients. So, but we have our WRH 3002B Yellow. It's a bigger type 300 series. I'm going to introduce this bigger one for you. As you can see here, the cover and inside of the machine is made of stainless steel. It looks like easy to clean. Stainless steel material to ensure longer surface life. It is all-in-one machine, no need to installation. When you receive the machine, just need to connect the machine to the power. Sorry, this is the machine control panel. Its touch screen panel is written by our own engineer. It's easy maintenance. Let's open the door. Inside of the machine, there are 3 air ducts. Totally, in this machine is total 60 pieces plastic strings. This machine can equip with stainless steel strings and plastic strings. But we have 3 long clumps of plastic strings. Okay, let me show you how this machine works. When you connect the machine to the power, this machine will blow the dry hot air from this air ducts and penetrate through the material, heat it up. This will release water from the material, and this circulation will begin again, and so until the material is thoroughly dried. If you have have more than 300 kilograms material for drying per bunch, here we have a bigger type dehydrator for your choice. And my colleague Ginger will introduce our bigger type material to you.
Yes.
Hi, Ginger.
Hi, Lemon.
And I have a question for you.
Yes.
How many? What's the biggest capacity dehydrator in IKE company?
Yes, the biggest machine we are carrying can dry up to 2,000 kgs or per batch. Actually, to satisfy different clients' needs, we have different 'How about now? Yes. Sorry. The biggest machine we're carrying can dry up to 2,000 kg by Apple, and the 300 series introduced Lemon. They are designed to dry 100 and 300 kg per batch. And this one is the one I'm going to introduce. Is the AIO 1500. This one is designed to dry up to 1,200 to 1,500 kgs per batch. And this is the machine looks like? Does it look like a container? Yes. Our capacity drying machine, we call them. Why? Because it can to the main machine and also the drying room. You can see this is the drying room. The drying room is all mixed by the 304 stainless steels. That's the stainless steel isolation board. The isolation board is used to keep the inside air not mixed up with the outside air. You can imagine the inside air is heating up by the main machine from the end, and then it going up with the temperature, right? If you mix up with the air outside, the temperature will going down. So the energy will be used by the heating up. So this one can help to the materials. You just need to open it before you loading them. And then bottom, you can see the bottom here. And then the bottom, it will come with the roller. It can move easier with the slope and then push into the drying room. Oh, sorry. This one should be here. Oh. And then we have another trays for you to choose. It's our stainless trays. It also made by the 304 stainless steels. You can see there is holders on both sides, and then you can put your stainless trays on top. And then this one can also come with the wheels. So you can move the whole part into the drying room easily. Sorry. Yes, this is how it works. And then for this machine, we have a special design to convenient our customers. You can come out from here, go through all the materials inside the empty area, and then going back, right? This time, the materials close to the wind outlet get more heats, get more winds, so they would be more dry than the materials in the end. So in order to save your work power to move the inside material out and then put the outside to make sure they are drying evenly, we decided this system can control the wind way. It means we use this board to control the wind for certain time, circle this way, and then other times within 1 hour, circle this way. So it can make sure the materials all being dried evenly. So let's try it out. Let's close the door again. We will need this later. Let's lock the door. Here is a handle. You can just lock it like this. This one is open. Easy, right? And please come this way. The main machine is on the end of the drying system. Setting. The password was 7. Yeah, sorry. Yes, this one is the wind direction. And then this one, sorry, it's in Chinese. This one is means forward. How many minutes you circle forward. This one is backward. So this time let's setting all forwards. Let's set it 60. And then this one 0. After you setting it, go back to the first page and then touch to start the machine. You can hear the machine is working right now. So let's see how the winds goes now. Open it again. Too cloudy. Okay, you just see the wind right now is going out this side, the backward direction. I'm setting the wind direction right now. Please wait for 1 minute. Yes, I just put the opposite data into the system. After 1 minute, because the fans will need maximum 1 minute to change the direction. So we just need to wait for 1 minute. And then the wind would circulate the opposite way as we showed just before. Let's see how it works this time. Maybe a couple more moments. It should be works within 1 minute. If you want to know more about our large capacity house on that's enough. That's enough, that's enough. Wow, beautiful. Yes, we just turn it down. This is all the information I'm gonna share with you about the AIO 1500. So today, because the time is limited, it's about the end. So let's go back to the showing room. As I said before, if you want to know more about our machines, you can go visit our website at www.ike.cn. We have all details on our websites. Also, you can leave us an email or message on the website so we can know your needs. Okay, we are here now.
Hello, guys.
Hello, everyone. Thank you, Ginger's introduction.
So welcome to subscribe our YouTube account and let us know more about your needs, right?
Yeah, we have washing machine, peeling machine, food processing machinery on the March 24th. It's welcome to have you to watch our streamers live show next time. See you. Bye.
Bye.
See you guys. See you next time.